on, poor people. It's okay, I'll have my people sue them. What's up, guys? I didn't even say Alexa. Oh. Shut up!
Oh wait, that's gonna be good wood, shouldn't it?
I'm aware of what I look like. We're gonna start this video on a low, you know, we're gonna humble ourselves a little bit because at the end of this video, I'm gonna be a rock star. I'm going to be a Kardashian. I went on Instagram and I found the Kardashians' hairstylist. I asked him if he would do my hair for a YouTube video, and I don't know why, but he said yes. This dude is booked and busy. Like, let me tell you, this guy has been working nonstop, getting calls. I've had to reschedule this video 3 different times. Today is the day. I'm gonna get my hair done like a Kardashian. I was going through all the Kardashians and, you know, all their hairstyles, all their looks, trying to pick what I wanted to do with my hair today. After long deliberation, I settled on this look right here. You guys know I have really curly hair, and I used to really get my hair like pinned straight, but now I just can't risk that damage. I don't know, just every time I straighten my hair, it's just like frizzy. Like, it's just not, you know, like pinned straight. What better person than to trust getting my hair like this than the celebrity hairstylist himself? I even bought this exact dress. It took 3 months to get here. So guys, give this video a big thumbs up because I waited 3 months to film this video. Just waiting on this dress. Let's head over to LA where we're gonna meet the celebrity hairstylist, and at the end of this video, I will be transformed and I will look hopefully better than this. But you know what? We don't really mind this look, you know? Would you still love me if I was a worm?
Yes.
We're here. My hair looks even worse than it looks like when I woke up this morning. But don't worry, we're about to fix that. If you have curly hair, you just know the struggle. You can just help me in the comments and defend anyone that says I look ugly because you guys know the struggle. I'm here in LA right now. I've already been inside the house. Y'all, they have a full movie set up in there. Like, it's literally a professional freaking movie going on inside there. He's a real celebrity hairstylist. It is a different production than the MyLifeAsEva production, which is very bare and minimal and inexpensive and probably illegal. I feel like I'm in GTA. That's like GTA music. We're gonna go inside and meet him. His name is Chris Appleton. He is a super famous celebrity hairstylist, very professional stuff. Oh my God, my hair looks like a poodle. Let's just go inside and meet him. Let's go. I look so bad. Look at how professional this is. Look. That camera setup itself looks like it costs more than my car.
How do you normally film your stuff then?
Do you know I don't even own one of these? This hairbrush is like $200.
It's kind of like your go-to. You're like, oh, I need one of those brushes. But then once you've used it, you like realize it is so much better. And they last for years. You have one?
I have the knockoff version. I have one that looks exactly like that, but it's just not the real one. I got it from the Dollar Tree. We are currently here with Chris Appleton, celebrity hairstylist extraordinaire.
Wow,
Yeah.
what an intro. Thanks.
You're so tall. I mean, I expected you to be tall, but you're just like...
I feel like people think I'm small, because everyone's like, oh, you're so much bigger than I thought you were gonna be.
I didn't expect you to be like small.
Yeah.
I just like didn't expect you to be such a
man.
You could literally like...
If you could pick one hairstyle and that was it, what should you look?
I love when my hair is out of my face because I feel like my cheekbones look nice.
That's the power of the pony. People are like, why do people like ponytails? But it's like what it does to your face. Sometimes when I take like people's hair out, when I've snatched it up, they say they can actually feel their face fall.
Even if I do this and I'm like...
Yeah.
BRB, I'm gonna go to the plastic surgeon. Who do you work with?
My clients are Kim Kardashian,
Love
Jennifer
her.
Lopez.
Love her. She's on speed dial. Do you work with people with like curly hair?
Yeah.
Often?
I've been doing this since I was 13, so I just like learned every aspect of hair.
I'm
What's your
so
request?
excited because my hair is so big and voluminous.
Which
Which I love.
I love.
Insert photos here. I never get the chance to do like super sleek hair because I can't do it myself. I never allow a hairstylist to do it because I'm so protective over my curls.
In the wrong hands, it can be like wrong.
Today we're going sleek.
We're gonna transform the texture.
We are gonna get started on this hair, and you can go watch the full tutorial on Chris's YouTube channel. We're dripping in Versace today.
She texted me, she's like, yo, make sure you bring the Versace. Who's your like inspiration?
I love Kylie's hair. She switches it up so much. She hits the wigs, she gets the colors going, the flip-flops.
But honestly, this will probably last you for like a good week at least.
I don't have to wake up every morning and detangle. Oh, bless.
We're gonna start by prepping the hair. This is probably the most important part to getting your hair smooth. You can take this away with you actually. This is my go-to. This is called a Dream Coat. It's from BLOWOUT and it literally transforms the texture of hair. You know when it rains outside and the waterproof furniture, like water sits on top, so it like beads up? Yeah. This is what this does. Humidity can't get into your hair. It also protects your hair, which I think is really important. Process of straightening it.
Who the f is on your spectrum?
Find it relaxing having your hair done?
Yes, it's so nice. And it's so nice like just talking to like your hairstylist. Like,
yeah, definitely.
So like you talking to any boys?
Oh my God, some of the stuff that you get to find out being a hairstylist, you're like a therapist.
It's the most craziest story you've heard.
I can't tell you that. Most people find having the hair done relaxing. Some people don't, but I think most people like having it done. Especially if you feel confident about the person that's doing it.
Exactly.
That makes a big difference.
I've definitely been in some chairs where I'm like watching everything they do.
Isn't it the worst thing ever? If someone said to me like, oh, if you saw someone doing your hair and you know they're doing it wrong, what would you do? And you'd be like, well, I'd say something. And it's so weird how you just sit there and don't say anything because you don't want to upset them.
You're just like, I love it.
Yeah, and then you go home and cry.
Yeah, yeah. Issue?
Oh, you're going through the thing.
Yeah.
I thought you were saying a prayer. I was like, what do you do? You're like, bless his hair, Father.
Bless his hair to last me forever.
Please make it last for 2 weeks.
The hair is done. I have to finish my makeup, but I have no idea what I look like. I've not looked in the mirror yet.
Oh, you look hot.
Okay, wait, let's go see. Oh, shit! I feel like we need to go do something Kylie related. What's her favorite restaurant? Where does she eat? Does she eat in public? Can she still do that? This is insane. Looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna finish my makeup. My hair? What the frick? I don't think I've ever felt my hair this soft. I feel rich. Like I feel expensive. We got a G-Wagon. I feel like Kylie Jenner. I think now we're just gonna have some fun, take some cute pictures, some true Kylie Instagrams, get the butt out there. Big on, poor people. It's okay, I'll have my people sue them. We're gonna take some pictures and then we're going to show some friends. So yeah, let's be Kylie. We just got the go-ahead to drive this G-Wagon. They're walking away. I'll wait till they're out of sight. Yo, I don't think I should be driving this car. This car is literally the down payment to $1 million property. To be rich, you have to put yourself in rich experiences. You gotta taste the luxury. My broke fucking ass is going down here for the So in fancy cars, they have like a button. My dumb ass is going down here for like the mechanical pull. This is way too technical for me. Do you see this? There's 4 settings. Why is the back? What is this fucking thing? That looks like an alien. Drive. Oh wait, oh. Why isn't it going? Okay, y'all, we're in Beverly Hills. Oh my God, guys, we're coming up on another car. Okay, okay, let's park this. I don't know how to park this. Oh my God, I'm in reverse now. Guys, that was so stressful. Let's get the fuck out of this car. Do you like my hair?
I love it.
Thank you. We just randomly found out that Ben and Andrew are in LA. We got their location. They don't even know we're here. We're gonna pull up on them and get their reactions. Let's go. Just wanted to roll up on you guys and look fancy.
Whoa. This is very fancy.
My nipple's out in this, so don't worry.
That's the same exact one.
Yeah.
Did you might make it or buy it?
I bought it. I bought it.
I would have just gotten there with some scissors and just started cutting my shit.
Okay, guys. It has been a few days since I've been Kylie. I have kept this hair as long as possible. It is so cute. If you guys couldn't tell, I bought a new camera. Is the quality not crazy? Look at this quality. That is it for this video, but before you guys go, I wanted to let you guys know a little token of my heart. Thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube videos. It's been so fun. I'm so congested. Why am I congested? It has been so much fun uploading for you guys weekly for the past like 2.5 months now. I'm honestly like so proud of myself. Every time I've uploaded a video in the last 2.5 months, I've always felt like there was something like lacking. I want to do something to give back to you guys. I want to give you guys like a subscriber shout out. I want it to be interesting. Like, I don't want to just be like, here's the subscriber shout out, because I feel like so many people already do that. I've been like noodling on what that is, and I have a couple ideas, but I don't want to like give them away just yet. So if you guys have any ideas for a subscriber weekly shout out thingy, let me know in the comments down below. No, we need to figure this out so we can start doing it. So comment down below your ideas. That is it for this video, guys. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I'm gonna pause and wait while you thumbs up this video, because if there were no thumbs up, there would only be thumbs down, and then that's heartbreaking and that's cyberbullying. So give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys next week for a new video. Bye, guys.
La primera vez que te veía, supe que era la mujer para mí. Nunca tuve ni una duda, no. Y ahora vos tenés mi corazón. Dale, nena, contame lo que te gusta de mí. Dale, nena, mostrame lo que te hace feliz.